ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Ïing Hills Development Society harangkat ka jingi lang bat ka office jongka Kublai Germany. Haga arpu pratarik urisau arjar arpulai kala plipat ba sakawai pat ka Ïing bala Pynshna kerpang nakabenta ka Longïing jongka kong Smithy Power ka basyong basa haga sinong luom perdi mi mentedu. Haga jing IT yakani ka Ïing syaka kong Smithy Power la sakhi lang dau chairman jongka balang Catholic mi mentedu uba lamshwa chairman. U Director jongka Ïing Hills Development Society u Reverend Father Manbha Pakem, u Coordinator jongka Ïing Hills Development Society uba Dennis Korkalang, u General Secretary jongka Balang Catholic Mi Mentedu uba Yalam Mi Lengdo, uba Frederick Senna bat kiwe. Yakani ka Ïing lasna bat penbit penbiang daga Ïing Hills Development Society rengkat ka jingkersyan nagawai kalong kemi ka bana Germany ka Agatha Glucker. Hadian ka jingkerku ya ka Ïing dau Reverend Father Manbha Pakem nakaliang jong President ka Kur Power Mi Mentru Unit uba sahon Power ulapan pau ka jing sngongu ya ka Ïing Hills Development Society ya ka Kublai Germany bat ya ka Longïing na Germany kibadan benta ban Pynshna ya ka ni ka Ïing.
Kibasa ha kani ka Ïing ka batmai bat kibapan ya ki jingkerku jong me to long mame ka cakari ha kabadon haying unong senran habaki mi na Ïing bat uba pediang snya ubaha habaki wan pai na Ïing to syak skor yaki habaki dam banduai hame hala kasmi bat habaki jing impert hai kalawai to pediang yaki sya ka jaka shongne kaba mela pengkre nag benta jongki haying ukpa jong me ha kaba mi shong bat me im junom la junom
ayo new ribbon uman kam kedak kecin kawa dawai ya kedi kayung kesam kam dedep kerku kerdo ya ka uman sikit ko kayung kesam kawa sikit ko scam kawa tukang smiti ulok bagi kan kiti yang ka u song u sa gina do mentu kesengi u yo gi sikit ya kete kecin yang belai po ni kayung kesam kamu deman ko kayung kesam ku tengom tendai kamu de yo wat me na dong hadong wa kecing im yang kile uman go kecing im go thne ha ko maya yo blai ha ko em kecing im maya kam go yung besam na do ka be pa ikon gikti uman go te kecing klelat kleluti wa na do mentu kesngi wo wai o a new ribbon wa ka te ko wan go wit ko wa ko em hayung asam uman ske ko lai bai lai renti wo blai uman kerku kerdo yiki na do mentu kesngi ado kisngi kipor wadawan tehni por kam kedak kecin tekut le pedar mok so lang ni kai wa man kan cibenta wa I em benta lang ha kan
on behalf of Agathe and her family and also on behalf of Kublai Germany I handed over this house to you, and from today you will live here with your husband, with your two daughters, and may God bless you abundantly. And remember God always as you live in this house. And please continue to pray for Agathe and her family who has generously sponsored for you this house, and also for Blay Germany and all the members, so that we can help more people through this organization. So from today, this house is yours, and you please take care of it. No, tinado bentugas ni kini kayong to kayong ti, uri sumari ka, ti paper to yung Agathe, ti kini kayong umano kayong.